Jai Hind everyone. In this video under Static GK playlist, we are going to learn some of the rocks, the classification of rocks and the types of examples of that classification of rocks. So let's get started. Under the classification of rocks, we have three types of rocks basically. The first one is igneous rocks, second one sedimentary, and the third one is metamorphic. So first of all, what does igneous rock mean? So basically these rocks are formed from cooling of molten rock, that is molten lava. So these are the products of cooling of from the cooling of lava, these have been formed. So these are the igneous rocks. And we'll try to learn some of the igneous rocks. The first one is pumice. So pumice is the first igneous rock, and the next one is obsidian, pumice, obsidian, and then we have andesite, pumice, obsidian, andesite. Next one, basalt. Basalt is also an igneous rock. The next one is pegmatite, tuff, granite, volcanic breccia, periodite, diorite, gabbro. So these are the igneous rocks. Let's try to remember them one by one. The first one is pumice. So pumice, we all know that pumice is, we all know about pumice. So we can remember pumice easily. And the next one we can remember is basalt. So this pumice and basalt, we can remember them easily. And the next one are granite. So granite also, we know that it is an igneous rock. So granite. The next one, obsidian. Andy is obsessed. Andy is obsessed and he take pegs. So like alcohol. So it has become very tough to make him leave that habit. So Andy is obsessed with pegs. So it has become tough. Next, period Dio Gabbro. Volcanic breccia, periodite, diorite, gabbro. So these are the next four igneous rocks. Now let's move to sedimentary rocks. What are sedimentary rocks? These are formed from layers of accumulated sediment. So these are layered rocks where you can see the layers of either sand or mud or organic matter or due to chemical precipitation. So this is how the sediment rocks are formed. And what are some of them? Some of them are chalk, halite, potash, rock salt, chert, conglomerate, dolomite. So what is the first set? We'll try to remember this. First one is chalk piece. And with chalk piece, what are you doing? You are writing it on chart. And after that, what are else? Halite. Where are you writing this? In hall. So in the hall, you are writing with a chalk piece on a chart paper. The next one, potash, rock salt, and dolomite. Potash, rock salt, dolomite. The next one is Stillite, coquina, gypsum, caliche, breccia, loess. So this breccia is different from this volcanic breccia. If it is volcanic written before breccia, it is an igneous rock. Otherwise, it is a sedimentary rock. So what is the first one? Tillite. And then we have coquine. Try to remember it as coquine if you want. Coquine, gypsum, caliche, breccia, loess. The next set is limestone, sandstone, siltstone, ironstone, shale. So these are the next where we have stone in all of them except shale. These are all the sedimentary rocks. Now let's go through them once again. First one, in the hall, I'm writing with chalk paste on a chart paper. So with that, I've covered halite, chart, chert, chalk. And the next one is rock salt, dolomite, potash. And the next line consists of tillite, coquina, gypsum, caliche, breccia, loess. The next one, limestone, sandstone, siltstone, ironstone, shale. So these are the sedimentary rocks. Now the next one is metamorphic. So what are metamorphic rocks? Due to PVT changes, we know what is PVT, pressure, volume, temperature. So due to PBT changes in sedimentary rocks and igneous rocks, they get modified and transform into metamorphic rocks. So metamorphic rocks, these are the rocks formed due to changes like change in pressure, volume, or temperature in either igneous rocks or sedimentary rocks. So that is the meaning of metamorphic rocks. And now we'll try to learn some of the metamorphic rocks. Under that, the first one is anthracite. Anthracite, quartzite, schist, phyllite, marble, gneiss, I don't know its pronunciation, slate. So these are all the metamorphic rocks. What are they? First one, anthracite, quartzite, schist, phyllite, marble, gneiss, slate. These are the metamorphic rocks. So with this, we have completed the topic. If you think the video is beneficial, please like and share the video. And also I have to mention the PYQ I've got during my attempts, that is, the rocks that are formed due to the cooling of lava are called, the options were volcanic rocks, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So these were the options given to me. At that time, I haven't remembered this igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, all that I've studied in school. So I've put volcanic rocks. So I've put volcanic rocks, and by that I've got negative marking. So this is how the questions are being asked, and they can also give you the rocks and ask which type of rock it is. So this is how the PYQs are. And with this, I'm concluding this video. And in the next class, we'll try to learn another new topic under static GK playlist. Until then, thank you and Jai Hind.